Sunday, February 1st, the Dilley detention center where little Liam just got released has reported that they have a measles outbreak. 2 confirmed cases of measles at Dilley, and the facility has gone on quarantine lockdown. I've been doing detention work as an immigration lawyer in Texas for 20 years. I got my start at the first family detention center representing families there in Hutto. I've been inside Karnes. I've toured Dilley, and I've seen what happens in these facilities when they go on lockdown. And these kids who already have very limited movement are, locked into their cells. They don't get to go outside. They don't get to go to the lunch hall. They don't get to go to the common areas. They stay in their cells, in my experience, when there's a quarantine event. In many cases, these kids are not going to have toys. They're not going to have access to the food that they need. They'll just get the meals served to them in their rooms, and it will be absolutely horrible. So we need to be calling on our legislators and demanding that all of the children, the thousands of children who are detained in the family detention centers, be released. And I don't know what that looks like, with the quarantine, like what the period of time is that these children have to be kept. But in the meantime, that they're given art and toys and food and as much comfort as they can possibly have while they're in quarantine, because they never should have been in there in the first place. And now the government has exposed them to the measles.